Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about some Amazon inspired items. So before I get into this video, let's talk about what inspired mean versus a dupe. So a dupe is something that you can find on the fence, DHgate, and it's pretty much something that looks identical to a brand name. For example, a Prada sunglasses, but it's not really from Prada. It's from AliExpress, DHgate, or some other retailer that does dupe. Inspired items are items that are similar but they have a different brand name. So for example, Steve Madden, Amazon, or Target, or Walmart will make a more affordable version that look similar. So that is the difference between a dupe and inspired. First inspired item I have is the Hermes Capri sandal. I have everything written in my notes. It says the sandal is made from calfskin with atomical rubber sole and an adjustable strap, a sleek design for comfort and casual look. Made in Italy, and the price is $910. I have some Hermes Oran sandals and they are super uncomfortable and you have to wear them in for a very long time. So I went with a Amazon inspired one, and this is how it looks. I got this because I like the detail. So I got this because I needed some brown slippers, and if you guys know anything about me, I love to just push my feet in a slipper and go about my business. I don't like a lot of details when it comes on to footwear. I think now that I'm getting more into fashion, I feel like that's where I have the biggest problems is footwear, because I like heels, but I'm a comfortable girl and I also like flats, slippers, stuff like that, but I'm not a girl that loves sneakers, so I don't know where the middle ground is. But anyways, these are the Capri inspired sandals by Hermes, and these on Amazon are $32 versus Hermes, which is about $910, and they are hard to come by and they're hard to get. I think they're sold out in the US. You have to go on the Hermes website to get them. That's neither here nor there. So the next inspired item I have is this, and if you guys don't know what this is the infamous Loewe puzzle bag, and this is the inspired version from Amazon. Loewe iconic puzzle top handle bag in grainy leather with contrast edgework, paddle top handle, adjustable, detachable, and crossbody strap, can be worn as top handle or crossbody with a zip closure, and it comes in a small, medium, and large, and it starts from $3,650 for the original Loewe version. So you have your zip enclosure, you have your top handle, and you have your crossbody strap. So the inspired costs about $34 on Amazon compared to the same size, and this would be considered a mini. No, this would be considered a medium in Loewe size, so that would run you $3,000 plus. And I got it in this color because I felt like I don't have a bag in this color, and it goes with a lot of stuff. The stitching on here is amazing quality. The grain work in the leather is amazing quality. I will say with a color like this, you have to be careful that it don't rub against dark clothes, or else it will probably rub off on your bag, so be careful with that. I love the fact that it has legs on the bottom, so I can put my bag down on a table and it don't mess up the bottom of the leather, or if something spills, the legs are there to protect the bag. So the next item I have is these little stud earrings. I'll do a up close zoom in version so you guys can see, and this is inspired by the Loewe Ontagram earrings. And when I first saw these, I was like, these look like exactly like the Loewe Ontagram. And if you guys know anything about me, you guys would know that I'm definitely a stud girl. I like studs. I love small detailed earrings, but let's get into earring. So the Loewe Ontagram cube stud earrings in sterling silver with a 24 karat gold finish is $690. The inspired one from Amazon is $18 and it's made from 18 karat gold. And I got these earrings because one of the back of the earring actually says Loewe. I was shook when I saw that. So if you want the same look for less, definitely go on Amazon and get these. So another jewelry set I want to say is this Cartier inspired set that's on Amazon, and I'll do a close-up of these two. The ring is about $4,200 on Cartier's website, and the bangle based on diamonds and size would run you anywhere from $11,000 to about $17,000. And you get this set right here with a bangle and two rings on Amazon for the cheap price of run you $14.99, which is $15. The good thing I like about this set is the ring you can actually do your size, whether that be a whole size or a half a size. They have ring sizes. I will say, where the bangle is concerned, if you don't have a small hand that can push through this bangle, like, you're going to be out of luck, because I bought this and my hands can't go through the bangle portion, but I get to use the two rings. Do I think it is worth it even though I can't use the bangle? Yes, because I get two rings, and I also have it in silver and gold. So the next inspired item on my list are sunglasses. And when I say I have become obsessed with sunglasses, if you guys see my sunglasses collection, it is actually insane. And these are inspired sunglasses from luxury brands or expensive brands that I have seen on Amazon, and that's a big thing for me now. I don't put luxury sunglasses on like my wish list anymore, because Amazon do inspired version that look exactly the same so quickly, and the styles go out of style very quickly. And this one is inspired by the Tom Ford Bronson. When I say I want the Tom Ford Bronson so bad, but the Tom Ford Bronson is $560, and who is paying $560 for sunglasses? Definitely not me. So when I seen these on Amazon for the cheap price of $18.99, and they are the inspired version and they gave the same look, I was here for it. I was here for it. So I got the tortoise shell one, and I also got a gray one. If you guys watch my vlog from last week, you will see that I wore the gray pair in that vlog. But this is how the tortoise shell Tom Ford Bronson look. I absolutely love it. It fits my face shape. It looks good on a lot of face shape also. And $560 versus $18.99. You can't beat that. The next one is also another Tom Ford inspired glasses, and then this one is, I think it is the biker glasses. I have some real Tom Ford glasses, specifically the biker aviator kind of, and I will say that this and my real Tom Ford glasses look identical in shape. So I won't say in quality because my Tom Ford quality is a little bit better, but this is how these look. And this is more of a aviator biker style glasses, and I think this one from Tom Ford cost about anywhere from $300 to about $400. Put the price somewhere in this video. So this is how this look, and this just have a brown tint. I feel like these are great for indoor wear, or if you're going out at night and you want to put on some shades but you don't want to put on something dark. I feel like these are kind of like the best glasses to go for, with a nice tint to the lens. So the next pair of glasses is the Lexalola glasses, and these are a whopping $220. I actually had these on my wish list until I saw the inspired version on Amazon, and the inspired version is $14.99. And the reason why I didn't actually get the Lexalola, the real one, is because it's always out of stock. And I really was gonna get the real version from this brand, but it's always not in stock. And when I saw the inspired version, I was like, I'm getting it. And then, like I said, with a lot of glasses, they get duped or a lot of inspired versions so quickly that sometimes it don't even make sense to buy the original version. You are buying the original version just to say that you have the original version, but the inspired look exactly like it. These are a inspired version of the Bonnie and Clyde sunglasses, going crazy with the sunglasses. So the Bonnie and Clyde version popped up on my Instagram, and I feel like their website has been stalking me on Instagram ever since. But every time I go on the Bonnie and Clyde website, their eyeglass, specifically the one with the red tinted lens, is always sold out, and it's more affordable. It's like $168. I think that's where I would cross the line for how much I would pay for a sunglasses. But I got the Amazon inspired version, and this is how it looks. So the real version costs about $168, and the inspired version is about $14.99. I will say I love the shape. The shape of these glasses is very different. I don't see a lot of brands doing this shape in particular, so I love it. And it gives me time to see if I would actually wear these styles a lot and how I feel they look on my particular face shape. And I will definitely say, if you're going to invest in anything luxury, buy an inspired version and see if you are going to get your money's worth, meaning you're going to get your cost per wear out of it. So if you buy the inspired version and you love it so much and you wear it so much, then it may be time to buy the real version if you feel like it's worth it or within your budget. So that is going to be the end of my video. Drop any other inspired items that you guys know of from Amazon in the comment section, and if you have tried any inspired version, tell me about them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.